Okay, so this game is the comparing number game. So there's two different ways to do this one. There is one way that's a little easier and then another way that's a more difficult way. Once again, I'm using a whiteboard. If you don't have a whiteboard, you could very easily use a piece of notebook paper or even just a sticky note, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So for the easy version, I'm just gonna pick two cards and then I'm gonna compare them. I wanna know which one is greater than or less than. So you want your child to verbalize the 9 is greater than the 2. We learned in school about Allie the alligator, so you can remind them, Allie the alligator likes to eat the number that is greater. And so now you would put a greater than sign and show that 9 is greater than 2. So what I was saying earlier about the sticky note, if you just wanted to write a greater than, less than, and equal sign on a sticky note, and then they can put the sticky note that goes into the equation. So if you want to just use one card per side and try that out and see how your students are doing, then you can move on, if they're doing really well, to the more advanced version. So the advanced version would be 2 cards on each side, so you're making 2-digit numbers. So for example, I could have 92 on this side, and I'm going to put them close together so they can see the number. And then I can have 68 on this side. And so then the student needs to decide, is 68 greater than 92 or less than 92? So the way that we look at this is we're going to look at that tens place first, and we're going to say 6 and a 9. Is 6 less than 9 or greater than 9? And so hopefully they'll see that it's less than. Then we don't even need to look at the ones place. We're just going to put that less than sign, because Allie the alligator likes to eat the number that is greater. So that alligator mouth is pointing to the 92. So 68 is less than 92. So this is a great review game for place value. And like I said, all you need is cards and then some way to write the greater than, less than, or equal sign. So this is the comparing numbers game.